This is a demonstration on the rotation. You don't have to memorize the rule if you learn how to turn your paper. So if I am turning my paper, and so if I'm turning my paper, this is my original, and I turn the paper 90 degrees. If I wrote this, A would have been -1, 1, and B now becomes 1, or A prime becomes 1, 1. And if you look back at the other video, that's what happened. So you can physically turn your paper 90 degrees clockwise. This works on all rotations, and you can actually physically turn it and do it. So watch on this one. You're watching this point right here. You're watching A. And so when I rotate it, that's the 90, and that's 180. And I'm looking at this point right here, and -1, 1 for A, and A prime became 1, -1. If you don't want to memorize the rules, then physically reorient your paper and then read the graph with the X and the Y axis like it should be, and rename that point, and that would be 1, -1. Again, we can do it with the 270, and the 270 clockwise would be 90 degrees for one turn, 180 for another turn, and 270 for another turn. Physically turn your paper. That is more than fine. You are paying attention to, again, A. And so you would name A in the first one would be -1, 1. In the second one, you're still paying attention to this being your axis. And so this is A, and A prime is -1, -1. That's another way to do rotations, is to physically turn your paper.